Alright guys, here we have some NBA hoops and some Mosaic, and we're gonna open it up. Maybe get something good here. NBA hoops first. Hopefully we get something good here. Larry Bird on the tribute. Johnny Murphy on the rookie. Got some base, I'd assume. Nicola. This is a weird mix-up here. Luka on the Skyview. Peyton Watson. And Anthony Davis on the Optic Preview, I think. Let's move the base over here. Spencer Dinwiddie. Harrison Ingram. Shaq on the tribute. Tristan De Silva. Michael Porter. Let's go through these base. Reed Shepherd on the frequent flyers. What do we got here? Kyle Flipowski on the arriving now. And Yusuf Nurkic. Put that over here. Smith, Trey Young, Reed Shepherd, got Cat. Dalton Connect, Asar Thompson, Chris Paul on that Optic Preview. So far, we've got some decent stuff here. Kristaps Porzingis, Zachary Richardson, Victor Wembanyama, Keyshawn George, Devin Booker. Champagne, go through all these base. I think another, Mike Conley. Cam Reddish, Dylan Jones on that preview. Two more packs left. Tim Duncan on the tribute. Julian Nunez. Some rookies. Zion Williamson on the Skyview. Darren Holmes II. And Cam Reddish. Alright, last pack. This was a bit thicker, possibly. Ooh, don't connect on the tribute. AJ Johnson. Sorry about the moving of the cards. I'm just not getting used to this. LeBron James, Trey Murphy, and Malik Monk. Alright, now let's go to the Mosaic. Alright, let's go with the Mosaic now. Let me put these cards up. More packs in here. Maybe not that. Okay. Start off with this. Spencer Dinwiddie, Giannis, Jonathan Kuminga, Ben Simmons, Patrick Baldwin, and Luke Kennard. Cam Johnson, Kyrie Irving, Jonas Valanciunas, De'Aaron Fox, Jalen Williams, and John Moran on Thunder Road. That looks really nice. Patrick Beverly, Anthony Simons, Josh Okogie, Kellen Johnson, Tyrese Martin, and Kelly Oubre. Cole Anthony, Jaylen Brown, Trey Murphy, Jeff Green, Wendell Carter, and Give and Go, Darius Garland. 2 packs. Trae Young, Jordan Poole, Jared Allen, Jalen McDaniels, DeMontis Sabonis on Elevate, and Quentin Grimes. Last pack. Cade Cunningham, Donovan Mitchell, Wendell Carter, Trey Jones, Chet Holmgren, and Nikola Jokic. I honestly think this wasn't a bad box. Make sure y'all subscribe and stay on.